Hi, welcome to your channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host Mohar and I'm back today with another very inspirational video for all of you. The video I bought for you today is about an ardent water conservationist and environmentalist who is also known as the Waterman of India. His name Rajendra Singh. He runs an NGO, Tarun Bharat Sangh, TBS. He is responsible for building over 9,000 jahads or earthen dams and other water conservation structures such as rainwater storage tanks, check dams, and using traditional techniques to collect rainwater and keep villages supplied with the water in the Thar desert in summer. He has revived 5 rivers in Rajasthan: Arwari, Ruparel, Sarsa, Bhagani, and Tahajwali. I'll be sharing more about him in some time. But before that, let me share with you a brief about the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I started this channel in May 2020, and in a short span of 1 year, 4 months, we have garnered over 605 subscribers and 15,000 views. We owe our success to our mission, which is to ensure that the present and coming generations live by the eternal human principles which do not change over time and place. These principles such as integrity, diversity, respect for the elderly, respect for the women folk, punctuality, loyalty are eternal. And living by these principles is the only way for success for individuals as well as mankind as a whole. Therefore, please join our mission. Subscribe to the video, press the bell icon so that you get every update on every video which we release. Please also like these videos, encourage us, share these videos with your friends and family, and also encourage them to join our mission. Towards this mission, I share with you videos of human beings at their very best on your favorite channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. We also have Facebook and WhatsApp groups whose links I am sharing with you in the description. There I share daily inspiration. Coming back to our inspirational Indian, Rajendra Singh. Born on 6th August 1959 in UP near Meerut, he was the eldest of 7 siblings. Father was a well-to-do agriculturist with over 60 acres of land. He was much influenced by Rajesh Sharma of Gandhi Peace Foundation, his teacher Pratap Singh, and Rajendra Singh was also deeply influenced by the emergency which was imposed in 1975. He did his PG in Hindi literature. While he was there, he became a part of Tarun Bharat Sangh. Thereafter, on the force of his personality and his original ideas, he became the leader of this, and he drove this Sangh towards water conservation and afforestation efforts. After his studies, he joined government service in 1980 but left his government job in 1984 to dedicate his life to society. He sold all his worldly goods for 23,000 and travelled with 4 friends to Indore, Rajasthan, the very interior of Rajasthan, to Alwar district. Here he noticed that the dwindling water table due to abandonment of the traditional water conservation techniques had led to droughts and villages being completely abandoned and people migrating to cities. Farming had totally been wiped out and many hundred villages because of water shortages. He took up his first assignment of building a johad or a earthen check dam used to store rainwater and recharge groundwater. This johad was the Gopalpura Johad. In monsoon, the johad filled up and the wells, which were dry for many decades, had water. The ground floor level water rose and farming could be started again. Thanks to his efforts, he came to the notice of the government authorities, who invited him to deliver various lectures and implement his ideas in surrounding villages. Next, he took up the activity of another johad near the source of Arvasi river. He also built tiny earthen dams, 375 numbers of them, which resulted in the river starting to flow again 1990 onwards after being dry for over 60 years. But this was not the end. He noticed the river could not be made perennial because of various mines which were there, which were left open and were leading to loss of water. He fought a long legal battle to get a notification banning all mining activities from the sensitive, ecologically sensitive Aravalli Hills and Sariska Sanctuary area. 417 mines were closed in 1995. Thereafter, in the same year, thanks to his sustained efforts, the Aravasi river became a perennial river which flowed year around. Imagine a river which was dead for 60 years becomes a perennial river which flows the year around. Later, Ruparel, Sarsa, Bhagani and Jahajwali rivers were also revived and abandoned villages started getting repopulated. Farming was revived and this led to drought being wiped out in hundreds of villages. People came back from the cities and started farming again. He also was responsible for afforestation of over 12 kilometers of land in the surrounding districts. To date, he has built over 5,000 earthen dams in 850 villages and 11 districts of Rajasthan. For his efforts in water conservation and afforestation, he has been given the epithet of Waterman of India. He has been awarded and recognized by multiple governments for his efforts. 2001, he got the Magsaysay Award for Community Leadership. 2005, Jamnalal Bajaj Award for using science and technology for rural development. 2008, he was named by the Guardian newspaper as the 50 people who could save the planet. 2015, he got the Stockholm Water Prize, which is considered equal to the Nobel Prize. His efforts in afforestation and water conservation are turning lives around. 5 rivers which had run dry for decades have become perennial rivers. 850 villages which were abandoned, people have come back and started farming. Wells which have run dry are full to the brim. The water tables in these districts and areas has seen tremendous improvement. Rajendra Singh, the waterman of India, was bringing a change in the lives of multiple people, making a difference not only to people but to the environment and the planet. Friends, I am sure you like these inspirational videos which I bring for you on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I want to thank all my 605 subscribers for their support and also request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel or have come onto the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Join our mission to make a difference to society by encouraging the present and coming generations to live by the eternal human principles. Please subscribe to the video. Also, like these videos, share these videos with your friends and family, and encourage them to join our mission. I will be back again very soon with another very inspirational video. Looking forward to catching up with you all very soon. Till we meet again on another episode on your favorite YouTube channel. Good luck, all the best, stay safe.